വെൽക്കം ടു ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് ലിറ്ററേച്ചർ. ഇന്നത്തെ വീഡിയോയിൽ നമ്മൾ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത് ഒരു എസ്സേ ആണ്. വില്യം ബട്ട്ലർ യെയ്റ്റ്സിൻ്റെ സെയിലിംഗ് ടു ബൈസാൻഡിയം എന്ന പോയത്തിന് റിലേറ്റ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു എസ്സേ ആണ് ഇന്ന് ഞാൻ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് മുമ്പിൽ ഇൻട്രൊഡ്യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. സോ വിത്തൗട്ട് വേസ്റ്റിംഗ് ടൈം ലെറ്റ്സ് ഗെറ്റ് ഇൻ ടു ദ വീഡിയോ. Sailing to Byzantium is a poem by Irish poet William Butler Yeats, first published in 1928 collection The Tower. It comprises of 4 stanzas in ottava rima. In this poem, he uses a journey to Byzantium as a metaphor for a spiritual journey. Sailing to Byzantium is definitely about the agony of old age and journey of an old man into a new country. It illustrates how he seeks spiritual guidance and discovers the sublime work of art and aging. The poem Sailing to Byzantium begins with the speaker of poem. He decides that he does not belong to his country as it is full of young people. To him, the young generation lives in the present moment and don't think about the death. They are absorbed in gaining worldly pleasure, which never allows them to understand the cyclical nature of life. Therefore, they not only neglect the old men that are wiser than them, but also neglect the art that neither dies nor grows old. The old speaker feels helpless in his own country and decides to move on. This is how he sails to Byzantium to illuminate his soul with glorious work of art. He wishes to get transformed into a golden bird so that he could become an eternal piece of art. This shows that the speaker is not ready to give up on life and struggles to elevate his soul to the level of eternity. The man versus nature and eternity are the major themes of this poem. The poem presents two things: the transience of life and permanence of nature. The old man wants to escape from the country where wise people are neglected. The young generation is so much caught up with life that they fail to understand what the nature offers to them. Being wise, he knows that man can find satisfaction in the lap of nature. Hence, he prefers leaving his own country and happily sailing to Byzantium, which offers him immense pleasure and fruit of eternity. So, ഈ എസ്സേ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് മനസ്സിലായി എന്ന് ഞാൻ വിശ്വസിക്കുന്നു. Now it's time to wind up the video. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഞാനിടുന്ന വീഡിയോസ് ഇഷ്ടപ്പെടുകയാണെങ്കിൽ please do subscribe, share and kindly support. Thank you for watching.